Okay, so I put this in the freezer for 2 days and it's not going to pop out. So I've got a container of bird seed here. I'm going to try to get this out and put it sticky side down, hopefully. Hoping that I can hang this up without too much peanut butter going all over the place. As you can see, there was lots of peanut butter. I got it in. So I'm going to press it down and fiddle with it. Probably make a big old mess because I'm trying to put it in a new cage that I bought. So we'll see. Okay, I went out and I bought a couple of these because the one I made, the peanut butter was all natural and it was soft and it's not freezing all the way through, so I'm going to use it downstairs where it's easier to clean off. Out here, this block is harder, and I will still have to come out with a broom and sweep it, but there won't be any pieces stuck with peanut butter. So I got this hook for a window, and it supposedly can hold up to 7 pounds. I thought I would try it out. Bought a new block feeder that comes with a chain, and I'm hoping that this doesn't end up getting pulled down by some critters. I want it hanging in this window for the cats, so I'm going to try and hook that up now. Okay, it was a little bit tricky. There's a lock mechanism that you turn on the window hook, and then there's another little knob on the side that you can probably see there, so you can adjust the angle. And I didn't want to attach it by that hook because I thought it's too easy to get off, so we'll see what happens, but hopefully this is some entertainment for the kitties.